what is a millionaire? What does it even get you if you get there? So, first off, a millionaire is somebody that has a net worth of $1 million. So, do you have to make $1 million in income to become a millionaire? No. So, a millionaire is somebody that has the net worth of $1 million. So, there's a couple common examples of this. First, you have assets or investments that are worth $1 million. And quite commonly, with value add real estate or dollar cost averaging in the stock market, your investments grow over time. So you put in nowhere close to $1 million, maybe half of that. And then over time, that grew up to be worth $1 million. So value add real estate, let's just stop and let's define some of these things. So that's buying a property that's commonly mismanaged, undermaintained. And that's when you buy the property, you remodel it, you put in sweat equity, and that value increases over time because you bought something that had bad tenants in it, it was in bad condition, and you put good quality renovated materials in there, you got a good tenant in there, that rent price was able to increase. Now that rental property is sold on a factor of your rental income so that the value increases there a lot. Very similar to house flipping. Dollar cost averaging index funds is every paycheck you put a little bit into the stock market, whether that's through a retirement account or an after-tax brokerage. And then over time that grows. So if you look at a long-term chart of the S&P 500, you're going to see that goes up over time. So it's very reasonable that most millionaires haven't even made $1 million in take-home income, yet they have $1 million in investments. It's really mind-blowing, to be honest. Another common way to become a millionaire that's not talked about often enough, I think, is having a business worth $1 million. So I'm going to talk about this from two sides. First, if you have a business that's generating a profit of about $300,000 a year, you are a millionaire. And likewise, if you are a millionaire, you can buy a business that generates about $300,000 a year in profits. So if you can save up $1 million, you can transition from your day job to ownership of a business that has way more freedom and flexibility, and you can generate $300,000 in passive income for life. It's really crazy. What are some other things you can do once you're a millionaire, or what does that get you really? Like, what's the buzzword all about? More than $1 million shopping spree. If you buy dividend producing stocks that produce about 5% in today's interest rates, you'll get about $50,000 a year of passive income. That's awesome. If you invest in the stock market, you're going to have ups and downs, way more volatility, way more risk than buying bonds or CDs or dividend stocks today. But you're going to make about 10% over many, many years and decades. Some years you're going to have 20%, 30%. Some years you're going to have 0%. You're going to be like, what's even going on? And then some years you're going to have negative 30%, which everyone then votes to fire the president, who I think is just a big fall guy. If you think otherwise, leave a comment below. $1 million can generate about $100,000 a year in passive income, which is really crazy at a 10% return. If you disagree with any of my comments, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Going into a couple of more advanced strategies with $1 million, real estate for me returns about 20-25%. We'll use 20% as a low number. So if you had $1 million to put as down payment on value add real estate, my guess is you could make about $200,000 a year in passive income, potentially 25%, $250,000 a year in passive income. And to me, that's when crazy things really start to happen. Your life gets way more abundant. You can be way more generous to your family, to your community, and make a bigger difference in the world and just live a more intentional life. And then the third way that I think is super underrated that I already touched is business income. So if you have $1 million, you can buy a $300,000 profit producing business, which is crazy. And another thing we don't talk about here, to buy $1 million business, you don't need to have $1 million. You can do it with a SBA loan with as low as like 10% down. So with $100,000 down payment, you can buy a business that produces $300,000 of profit. You'll have to put some of that profit towards your debt repayment, but I think that is a super fast way to building wealth at any age, especially in today's day and age with all the boomer generation retiring who owns a large percentages of the businesses in the country. If you found value in this video, smash that like or subscribe button, leave a comment. What would you buy for a passive income source if you became a millionaire so that you could live off of that passive income?